This is how to build your credit history. Tsaka bakit? First, open a savings account. It doesn't matter kung anong bank as long as it's a legitimate bank. Kahit digital bank, okay lang. Start building your emergency fund. I had a different post about this. In the same bank account, you can also do like a general savings fund. Kahit wala kang goal, transfer ka lang ng transfer ng pera dyan. Tapos iwan mo doon yung pera. Makikita nyo 5 to 8 months, a bank will start offering you credit cards. Or pag nag-apply ka na ng credit card, you have high probability of getting approved. Because this behavior shows the bank that you are financially responsible. Hindi ka isang kayod, isang tuka. Meron kang capability na magbayad ng utang. Next, kung wala kang credit card, you can still start building your credit history by using BNPL or applying for small personal loans. BNPL sila Atome, SPay Later, TikTok Pay Later. Tapos may mga small personal loans yung digital banks and e-wallets. You should pay on time and you should pay in full. How does this work? All banks and financial institutions, basta kahit na anong inutangan mo, kasama yung online lending apps dyan, basta pumirma ka ng kontrata, legitimate siya, registered under SEC, they are mandated by law to report all of our financial transactions to a government body called Credit Information Corporation. So, kunyari, bumili ka ng iPhone using Atomi o kaya SPay Later. SPay Later or Atomi will submit your information to CIC. CIC will create your profile. So, kunyari, nag-apply ka ng credit card sa isang bank. Ngayon, itong si bank, hihila siya ng records mo kay CIC. Tapos, makikita niya na, oh, financially active siya. He pays in full, pays on time. So, mataas yung probability niya of being a good payer. So, I can give this person a credit card. So, imagine if you pay everything in cash. CIC cannot and would not recognize you. There's nothing to report about you. Kaya para umpisahan natin yung credit history mo, kahit wala kang credit card, you can avail of these offers. But again, huwag kayong gumawa ng gastos. Hindi porque, uy, gusto kong umpisahan yung credit history ko, bibili lang ako ng phone. Hindi po ganoon. If you have a current need, and it just so happens na okay yung offer ng mga institutions na to, then avail. Pero hindi yung gagawa ka ng gastos. Huwag ganun. Number 3, keep your debt to income ratio below 30%. Ito yung formula. Kung ito yung income mo, before all of the deductions, income times 0.30, you're gonna get the 30%. So, ito yung maximum mo na utang. Kunyari, ang sweldo mo 10,000. 10,000 times 0.30. Yung utang mo should be under 3,000 pesos only. All in na to ha. So, kung meron kang home loan, car loan, credit card, BNPL, lahat should be under 30%. Bakit? Again, we have to show banks and the credit bureaus that we have good payment behavior. Pag umangat kasi ng 30% to, delikado ka na. Yung standards kasi sa Pilipinas, 70% of our salary goes to needs. Kasi mataas ang bilihin, malaki yung pamilya, retirement plan ka, ay. Tapos, usually, 5 to 10% minsan nga wala eh. Walang napupunta sa savings. So, ang nangyayari, 30% yung disposable income. Next, kung meron ka namang credit card, ibig sabihin, andito ka na. May record na sila. Keep your credit utilization within 40%. Huwag kang lalagpas ng 40%. You need to pay on time. You need to pay in full. Keep your debt-to-income ratio below 30%. Kaka-explain ko lang. Banks are looking for consistency. Hindi pwedeng isang buwan ka lang nagbayad on time and then the rest, palagi kang late, o kaya palaging kulang yung binabayad mo, o kaya minimum lang binabayad mo. You should be consistent in your finances. So, itong tatlong to, especially ito, dapat consistent ka. Kaya siya sinasabing credit history kasi you're working towards series of data points. And 1 month is not enough. Napapansin ko nga, ang daming mga nagsasabi na they've had a credit card for 2 years already, pero wala pa rin sila dito. It takes time to build your credit score. That's why I'm telling you this now. You need to start early because, as you can see, a lot of digital banks are opening. Credit score is finally available to us. There's a lot of technological advances happening in the country, and eventually, credit score will be a big thing, much like in the US and in other first world countries. Para saan ba at bakit kailangan mo mag-build ng credit history? It's for your future. Kung kailangan mo na mag-business o kaya kumuha ng car loan or home loan, dapat andito ka. Otherwise, mahihirapan ka makakuha nito. May mga bansa na nag-check ng credit history before issuing your visa. You cannot get a credit card without a credit history. A lot of companies use credit reports for background check before agreeing to hire you. And eventually, maybe, just like in the US, before you rent a house, before you can get a condo, you should have a good credit standing. Alam ko matagal-tagal pa to pero hindi imposible. Wala namang masama kung mag-umpisa ka ngayon kesa naman biglang andyan na siya tas hindi ka handa. Yun lang.